Welcome guys. So in today's class we'll be looking at conditional formatting, your visual insights in pivot table. So we are going to explore conditional formatting in Excel and how it enhances pivot table by visually highlighting keys, trends, your pattern and outlier. So by the end of this section, you'll be able to apply conditional formatting to pivot tables, be able to use color scales, data bars and icon sets for quick insights, be able to customize rules to highlight important value. What do we mean by conditional formatting? Conditional formatting allows you to automatically apply colors, icons or bars to cells based on their value. So it helps to highlight high and low value easily. It identifies trends and patterns in large data sets. It makes data more visually appealing for reports and dashboard. So let's dive into how to apply conditional formatting to our pivot table. So you click on the necessary column and click on Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting, Color Scales. So these colors, they help to tell your stakeholders or someone that is reading it that we have this color for the highest, this color for the lowest, to indicate that this is the lowest sales, this is the highest sales. So, or if you don't want this that is recommended by Excel, click on More Rules where you can create your color, where you have the type, the lowest value type. Under you see a color, you see where you can change your color. So let's pick a color generator color. Maybe for the lowest value you want it to be yellow, for the highest value you want it to be red. Okay, can you see this now? So you can choose a formatting type. You can go for color scales, your data bar, icon sets and highlight cells rules. You can play around with this. So you can play around with what we have here. So we've done highlighting high and low sales. This is how you can highlight your high and low sales. This is a way for you to tell your stakeholders this color represents the highest sales, this color represents the lowest sales. So we can use data bar for visual comparison. Data bar, you choose gradients, choose the gradient field to display bar proportion of, or to display bars proportional to sales value. This is it. Can you see this? Beautiful, right? So it displays bar proportional to the sales value. It shows you that this, can you see this is the lowest, this is the highest, followed by this, followed by this. So that is the beauty of data bar for visual comparison. Or you can apply icon sets for performance trends. Go to conditional formatting, go to icon sets. So you can choose an arrow. This is it. How lovely, right? So you can play around with this. Green, the arrow facing up represents high sales. For yellow color, the arrow facing your right hand side is your moderate sales, while for red color the arrow facing down is your low sales. So we can create a custom rules, customizing conditional formatting rules. So when you select your pivot table value, so go to conditional formatting, you click on new rules. So choose you are going to choose where you have use a formula to determine which cells to format. So maybe you want to say equal to, let's say equal to B2 or B, let's say B4 greater than 5,000. So this will format cells where sales are greater than